think my personality is a little different that way. I think I'm a little more chalta hai attitude. Shalini, Kalyani, and Ridhima, you know, one will think 100 times क्योंकि वो comfort level नहीं है. Ekta Kapoor, Ekta is like my little sister. She's not my friend. जब भी ड्राइवर को पूछती थी हम लोग कहाँ पर हैं मैडम हम गांव में आए हैं. It was the first time I was working with शाहरुख खान. हम चारों का जो केमिस्ट्री है जो फ्रेंडशिप है it's very hard.
हेलो नमस्ते मैं हूँ पूजा नवाथ एंड वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान और शुड आई से वेलकम टू द नीलम शो.
I like the Neelam show.
द नीलम शो बिकॉज जी हाँ आज मेरे साथ है नीलम कोठारी सोनी.
Thank you.
प्लेजर मीटिंग यू.
Thank you for having me.
It's just you know so surreal. I'm feeling nostalgic right now with the
Yeah.
title itself, The Neelam Show. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं सच में नीलम के शो पे आ गई हूँ because it's the brightest memory of childhood that I have.
How sweet.
Very close
how
to me.
Sweet. Thank
And
you.
I must say the reason today I'm sitting next to you and interviewing you, that scene, that particular scene influenced me to be a reporter.
Oh my God, really?
It did.
Chalo, I made a difference to somebody's life. Big difference.
Not just me, I'm sure there must be so
glad.
many.
I'm glad you got inspired. Yeah.
I just got the opportunity to mention it in the interview.
How sweet.
And when we began the interview, you know, she was just doing something with the pillow. And I was like, I remembered that scene in Shalini's house.
I swear on that cushion there was already a patch.
Okay.
It was like that fur kind of print on the sofa.
Okay.
And I promise you that orange patch was there before. Okay, and Seema and Bhavna have insisted that it was the oil in my hair. Why would I put oil in my hair?
As an audience, we all thought the same. And I'm like, will you flip this pillow as well?
Yeah, I was flipping it just now. That's how you remembered. Yeah.
That's how I remembered. But tell me, we all visit our friend's house, our relatives, and we do some mischievous thing. We kind of try to hide it. Apart from the pillow incident, which now that it's revealed that it was not a hair color, have you done something like that wherein you had to hide something?
No, not hide something, but it was the same day.
Okay.
We were shooting at Shalini's house, and like when we entered, she was singing. Then everything, she went to change, and everything was so quiet.
Yeah.
Okay, then when Shalini came, also we were having a conversation, and I was drinking tea. So when I was drinking the tea, I must have slurped a little bit. So that slurp sounded so loud. Everyone was like, Neela. You know when you drink
God.
tea like anyway,
What
so
fun.
I mean, yeah, so we've just had some crazy times on this show.
I'm
We've had
sure.
lots and lots of fun.
That was visible in the season, but I must ask you that there's 3 new addition to the season. What do you have to say about all this 3
बहुत
beautiful
मजा आया
women?
बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि it was just different conversations, different topics, different venues, so it was a lot of fun. In the beginning, I'll be honest, it was a little sort of strained because we didn't know them so well.
Right.
I mean, I've known Ridhima, Kalyani and Shalini over the years, but not so friendly. So all of a sudden we're thrown together and, you know, to have conversations, it was a little
Awkward.
It was a little awkward. But, you know, towards the end of the show when the shooting was over, I think, you know, all of us opened up and we were much more comfortable, more friendly.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was a lovely journey. It was a joyride.
It was definitely
With ups and downs, and it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
it was a roller coaster ride though. Having said that, you know, एक scene है जहाँ पर आप गाड़ी में बैठकर बोल रहे हो ये कौन से गांव में आ गए? Delhi is a गांव.
Because I had an event in Faridabad.
Oh.
Okay, so and I was getting late for the airport. और सच्ची में मैं जब भी ड्राइवर को पूछती थी हम लोग कहाँ पर हैं मैडम हम गांव में आए हैं. So I was just repeating what the driver told me.
Oh God, सच में. But ये जो मुंबई और दिल्ली का debate है
But
ना,
I was not in proper
proper
Delhi.
city.
I was out in the outskirts somewhere. Uh, जहाँ पर the road was really bad and everything.
Yeah.
So it was not proper Delhi. It was on the outskirts. So I just want to clarify.
कोई बात नहीं. मैं भी गोवा से आती हूँ, बट कहने में गांव कहती हूँ क्योंकि देयर पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन वेयर थोड़ा सा
Of course.
रूरल एरिया होता है एंड यू फील
Correct.
लाइक गांव. एंड गांव
Correct.
कहना इट्स लाइक आई टेक इट विद लॉट ऑफ प्राइड. मैं गांव से हूँ, अच्छा लगता है सुनने में, जानने में, रहने में भी मजा आता है गांव में. वैसे जब बात मुंबई और दिल्ली की हो, इट्स नेवर एंडिंग डिबेट.
Oh, it's a never ending. It's a very, it's an age old, what is it called? Competition,
Yes.
conversation. Um, and I think it was very clever of the creatives to think of this Bombay Delhi thing because
na?
because it's got a lot of tongues wagging and a lot of eyeballs and a lot of people are talking about it as well.
या बट फिर भी मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, आपको क्यों लगता है कि मुंबई दिल्ली से बेटर है?
देखिए, I'm a Mumbai girl. Okay, I love Mumbai. My family here is here. My friends are here. I love Mumbai. There is no comparison to any other city. Now, even if you ask me, do you prefer Hong Kong or Mumbai? I'll say Mumbai.
मुंबई.
You know,
Absolutely.
I'm a Mumbai girl, hardcore Mumbai girl.
सेम ही हो, बिकॉज 13 साल से मुंबई में हो और मुंबई की चाहे चाट हो, कितना भी बोलो कि दिल्ली की चाट बेस्ट है, बट यहाँ पे पानी पूरी खाने में मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. और पानी पूरी से ज्यादा मुंबई
नहीं, दिल्ली
का
में भी
वड़ा पाव.
बहुत दिल्ली में बहुत मजा आता है. वहाँ का खाना तो आई थिंक इज फैंटास्टिक. आई थिंक इट्स
Yes.
बेटर देन मुंबई. लाइक
बट वड़ा पाव से कौन टक्कर ले, बताओ.
वो तो
पाव.
है, वो तो है, वो तो है,
We both shall
हाँ.
agree to this one point कि वड़ा
वो तो
पाव.
है. मगर दिल्ली का पापड़ी चाट और you know all that stuff is
छोले भटूरे.
छोले भटूरे.
मुंह में पानी आ गया.
I love all that. I love.
देखो, जब एक बड़ा सा ग्रुप इकट्ठा साथ आता है, तब उस बड़े ग्रुप में भी एक अलग सा ग्रुप बन जाता है. इस बड़े से ग्रुप में वो कौन सा अलग ग्रुप था?
I think it was very evident.
Yes.
It was very evident. मतलब दिल्ली एक तरफ और बॉम्बे एक तरफ.
बिल्कुल.
तो it was very evident कि the groups didn't merge. बहुत कोशिश की मगर you know I think हम चारों का जो chemistry है, जो friendship है, it's very hard to sort of compare that with anything else.
True, true. You have a very, very strong
Strong
bonding,
bond.
and it was very visible, very, very visible.
See, and also there's a comfort जब हम shooting करते हैं और you know if I want to say something to Mahip, I won't think twice before calling her a name or putting her down or making fun of her. Magar with Shalini, Kalyani and Ridhima, you know, one will think 100 times क्योंकि वो comfort level नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
Even though now we've become much more friendlier, फिर भी वो थोड़ा सा you keep that little, how do you say it?
You create a wall
It's not
initially.
a wall. It's just you don't want to.
Show the unfiltered side of
No, you don't want to offend. You don't want to say anything out of line.
Yeah.
You know that way.
But do you have the set of friends where you can be yourself? वो जज कर ले, पता है, पर वो कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. झगड़ा कर ले, पर पता है वो
I
कहीं
have,
नहीं जाएंगे.
yes, of course, I have my one group of friends, my childhood friends. Then I have like a group of friends with Ekta Kapoor. Ekta is like my little sister. She's not my friend. Then of course I have Bhavna, Seema, Mahip, where I can just be myself. They know that at times I can behave absolutely cracked and it's absolutely fine. It's only them.
बिल्कुल ऐसे दोस्त
Yeah.
होने भी चाहिए.
जी.
जैसे जब आप मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए दिल्ली में गए थे and Shalini wasn't there and you just said कि I thought I am the heroine but she's the bigger heroine. do you agree to that, because the character that we saw
Yeah,
Shalini
I think considering I feel I'm a little more grounded. I'm chilled and I'm happy to do whatever, whether it's night, whether it's day, chalta hai. You know, that's my attitude.
Yeah.
सब कुछ चलता है.
सब कुछ चलता है, क्या बात है. और वैसे
कुछ भी दे दो खाने के लिए मैं खा लेती हूँ. कहीं भी लेके जाओ, put me on that zip lining thing, कर दो, कोई बात नहीं.
You will do it.
I'll do anything.
But Shalini is very particular about things that she does. Like, she is so disciplined, and I believe she has to-do list. Is time pe I don't do lunches, or I do certain things.
Correct. So I think that works for her. I think my personality is a little different that way. I think I'm a little more chalta hai attitude.
Mumbaikar. That sounds like a Mumbaikar. We are used to traveling from local, from rickshaw to anything.
You know, Sachi, my house is about 10 minutes away from my office.
Okay.
तो अगर गाड़ी नहीं है, ड्राइवर नहीं आया, जो भी है, आहाना क्लास में गई है, I just take a rickshaw and I leave.
Yeah. We just
I don't care.
ourselves.
It's okay.
Yeah.
And I love it.
Yeah, even I love that fact that मुंबईकर किसी भी हाल में happy है और जो जहाँ पर भी भेज दो कुछ भी they just adjust.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay, so let's move on to the segments. Are you excited for the segments?
Yes.
Okay. So the
Always.
always excited for the segment. So the first one is the hashtag show. So I'm going to mention few names and you have to give hashtags.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is Mahip.
Mahip. Hashtag potty mouth.
Okay. Seema.
Hashtag mad one.
Bhavna.
Hashtag grounded.
Shalini.
Shalini. Hashtag unique.
Rudhima.
Ridhima. Hashtag very pleasant.
Kalyani.
Kalyani. Hashtag I would say well traveled.
Sameer Soni.
My love.
Aww. Sanjay Kapoor.
Hashtag hilarious.
Okay. Chunky Pandey.
Oh my god. Hashtag many things. Hashtag good friend.
Good friend.
Yes.
Gauri Khan.
Gauri Khan, I would call her Queen of Bollywood.
Shah Rukh Khan.
The King of Bollywood.
Karan Johar.
Heart of Gold.
क्या बात है. Suhana Khan.
Best Behaved.
Ananya Pandey.
Super talented.
Shania Kapoor.
Prettiest ever.
Ahana.
Ahana, my doll.
Okay. The next segment is what the comments. I'm going to read out few comments and you have to just react. Okay.
I hope they're nice comments.
Season 1 and 2 were better. I think this season was spoiled by the 3 new ladies.
I didn't say it.
These are the trollers, netizens.
No, I think there was place for them, and I think they did a fabulous job, and it was an interesting season.
Shalini was a vibe during drinking sesh. Why did you snap at her?
Why did I snap at her? Okay, because a lot of what you see has not been shown. Okay, because we were actually she was having fun. Okay, but then we were also sitting for a very long time, and she was laughing and laughing and laughing. I understand the girl was having a good time, but then I wanted to just finish and wrap up and leave. So I got a little irritated with her and I snapped at her because the kind of footage that you see as a viewer, you are seeing a cut down version.
Yes.
So we were sitting there for a very long time, and she was having fun, and we were all trying to speak, but we couldn't get a word in because she was laughing. She found things very funny, and she was having a good
Yeah.
time. I get it, but then I was losing my patience, and I snapped. And I think I'm human,
Yeah.
and it wasn't meant to be malicious or anything, but that's me, and it's
Yeah.
reality. And if someone is I'm getting annoyed, I snap, be it my child, be it my friend, be it whoever.
Wow. She was the highlight of the season. Like people are talking about her, but you mentioned that a lot of was not shown. Is there a side that we couldn't see of
No,
Shalini?
no, 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 no. What you see, I think Shalini has really worked hard on this show, and I think she surprised all of us because her dedication was another level. Kudos to her. Um, but no, I mean there isn't. I mean what you see, that's how she is.
The song that she sang, the welcome.
Yeah, I mean, she's a kind of person who is curious about things. She wants to learn so much, and I think yeah. So what you see is what you get.
Okay. And the last comment is Neelam is so beautiful. Bet she has guys left and right falling for her. Always.
Well, I have to say when I travel with these girls, yes, definitely, someone. I mean, always.
Crushes on you, approaches you.
Yeah, either there's someone stalking me or there's someone whatever. I mean, I don't know why it happens on trips only.
वाह मॉरिशस में कुछ हुआ जो हमने नहीं देखा सीजन में.
No, there was that. They were making fun of me that I was. There was that snorkeling.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that snorkeling scene. So they always
Superb.
just make fun of me.
क्या बात है. Okay, we have a rapid fire session now.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. What's your go-to emoji?
I think the best is just the smiley. It solves all the problems, that smiley.
Wow. Name 3 things you can't live without.
Well, I don't think it's going to be materialistic things. I think it's going to be my family. You know, it's my daughter, my husband, and my mum.
Wow. 3 must-have things in your wallet.
In my wallet, 500 rupees. You always need 500 bucks minimum. That's minimum. Because, sometimes we go out in the night, with Seema or
Yeah.
Bhavna or Mahib, and, sometimes it's so funny that we're carrying credit cards, but no one's carrying the cash. We carry our credit cards, but sometimes we forget to carry money.
Yeah.
So, okay, in my wallet, I will definitely have 2 credit cards in case one doesn't work. You have the other one, and 500 rupees.
500 rupees is a must, guys. Okay. Who is your favorite fabulous woman from the season?
I don't have one. I'm not being diplomatic. I don't have one. My favorites will be the OGs. Okay, Seema, Bhavna, and Mahib.
Okay. Name 3 fabulous wives in Bollywood who would want them to be part of season 4.
Who I would want. Okay, I think I would choose Kareena Kapoor. I would choose Meera Kapoor. and Deepika. Why not?
Yeah, why not? We would love to see
Why
her.
not?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's wishful thinking, but why not?
Absolutely. Okay, guess the movie. An 8-year-old girl plays matchmaker for her dad.
That's a very difficult one. कुछ होता है.
Oh my god. कुछ होता है कि memory बहुत strong है. सबसे प्यारी film. Do you have any memory that you would like to share with your fans?
I think it was the first time I was working with Shah Rukh Khan, and it was just great fun. I was playing myself. I had my own show called the Neelam Show, so it was great fun. It was
क्या
super
बात
fun.
है. And from Neelam show to today interviewing her on my show. Oh my god. Life is a
Lovely,
full
thank
circle.
you.
Thank you so
It
much.
was so much fun.
Same here. Thank you so much
Thank
and all
you.
the best.
All the